The only observable aspects of an airplane are its body and cabin. As a result, we often overlook that an aircraft is much more than its body and is propelled by some of the most potent engine types ever built. It is created to enjoy a quiet moment even at high altitudes while feeling warm in the air. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about this new engine shocked the entire aviation industry. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Without any knowledge of the mechanical miracle that keeps you moving. What sets the CFM Rise engine apart from the competition? What sets it apart from the competition, and what does it portend for the future of aviation? The CFM Rise engine is a highly rated design, with Aviation Technologies wagging their tongues in anticipation of its performance potential. CFM International designed the machine as part of a joint venture between Safran Aircraft Engines and General Electric. Numerous metrics contribute to the Rise engine's advantage over comparable computers. It is most known for its efficiency and overall commitment to its manufacturer's environmental sustainability agenda while being the most powerful engine currently in use. Prioritizing economy, the engine was built using solid yet lightweight materials and high-quality aerodynamics to reduce fuel consumption and noise. The engine's only aim is to power planes that can travel long distances while using less fuel and saving airlines a bundle in operational costs. To reduce greenhouse emissions and air pollution, the engine uses cleaner-burning fuels and sophisticated exhaust systems, a case that is becoming increasingly significant in modern industrial practice. CFM Rise is seen as a notable power boost for airplanes that use it, given the additional nautical miles and payload capacity it provides. This makes it a worthy component for some of the most popular long-haul aircraft, because they may improve passenger and cargo carrying capacity while maintaining speed and efficiency. The engine receives high marks for passenger comfort and cheaper operating costs for the airlines that use it. Its use of open fan blades reduces in-flight noise and overall fuel efficiency, even on highly lengthy flights. There was not even a hitch to be expected. The available fan technique is predicted to propel aircraft at 80% of the speed of sound, or Mach 0.8, while producing a noise signature that will comply with future restrictions. The overall fuel efficiency is measured by a 20% reduction in fuel use. The diameter of the open fan blades has been lowered and streamlined for easier installation on single-aisle aircraft, making the engine suitable for aircraft such as the Airbus A320 family, the Airbus A380, and the Boeing 757. It contributes significantly to the 50-year-old cooperation between General Electric and Safran's objective of being the first to achieve net zero emissions in commercial aviation by 2050. The CFM Rise engine puts them considerably closer to the bold ideas that lead to the creation of the new engine. While some believe that net zero emissions are unattainable, introducing the Rise engine is a welcome addition to the available machines dedicated to this goal. Since the 1970s, open fan blade systems have been in development. The first was the quiet, clean, short-distance experimental engine, QCSEE, shown with NASA in the 1970s, which was the first high-bypass geared turbofan engine. The GE36, often known as the unducted fan, came next. The open fan design has evolved since the beginning of aero and acoustic testing in the 200s. Until Safran developed a counter-rotating open rotor C-raw engine ground test that achieved roughly 15% fuel efficiency with lower CO2 emissions than some of today's most efficient engines, the commitment to making the machine safe for use in aircraft contributed to developing modern sensors and monitoring systems that can swiftly detect any threat before it becomes a flying risk, escape any chance of in-flight emergencies, and increase overall safety. This has made the Rise engine intriguing to Airbus, which has cooperated with CFM to test the groundbreaking concept for sustainable engines. As a result, it makes sense to investigate how incorporating the Rise engine into a NEO model of the aircraft could make it more appealing to airlines and encourage Airbus, who has now suspended manufacturing after orders dried up, to modify the jet and reintroduce it into the market. Rise engines are more sustainable for more significant long-haul aircraft types since they can deliver tremendous thrusts, which improves the range of the aircraft kinds that use them due to the materials utilized in the engine. The materials work together to improve overall performance by utilizing lighter and more durable materials that reduce engine weight while offering an even better lifespan. The engine is constructed of sophisticated alloys and innovative composites, such as titanium and carbon fiber, that can endure pressure at severe temperatures, as is typical during long-distance flights. The Rise engine includes an integrated cooling solution that uses a combination of unique air and oil cooling technologies to maintain the engine within its ideal operating temperature range. It prevents engine overheating and minimizes the likelihood of poor performance. The type of cooling system they use has yet to be made public. Still, it is believed that a combination of effective cooling technologies will be used to control the temperature of the CFM Rise engine's unique components. The engine's selling point is how well it meets the maker's sustainability aspirations. It promises to have a substantial positive impact on the environment. Its compatibility with a wide range of alternative energy sources, such as sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, and hydrogen, significantly reduces its low greenhouse gas emissions, far superior to conventional fossil fuels. Because of the engine's versatility and overall design and deployment advantages, airlines have additional reasons to love deploying the costs. Airlines who do not value the quietness provided by CFM Rise engines will undoubtedly hear it from their customers, as it ensures a more comfortable flying experience, instead of the present contemporary machines that are dominating the market. It will face severe competition from the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000, Pratt & Whitney PW1000G, and CFM International LEAP engines. We contrast the utilization of the CFM Rise engine with various engine types. Because they power some of the most popular single-aisle aircraft, including the Airbus A320neo and the Boeing 737 MAX, they provide higher fuel efficiency to some extent, as well as lower pollutants and noise levels. However, the Rise engine entirely outperforms them due to mechanical benefits. For example, because the PW1000G cannot be used with SAF and hydrogen, it cannot provide nearly the same environmental benefit as Rise engines. Because Rolls-Royce prioritized the ecological effect of the Trent 1000, Boeing elected to use the engine in its spectacular Boeing 787 Dreamliner, which is many airliners' dream aircraft for long-distance travel. It also reduces maintenance expenses in a department where the CFM Rise engine must still be adequately tested. CFM may have higher maintenance expenses, but it promises better overall performance. The Rise engine also has the advantage of being applied to a double-decker like the A380 without causing maintenance professionals as much trouble as present machines do after a long flight. The CFM Rise engine also guarantees pilots' employment satisfaction through long, pleasurable, and effective flights. It is not assured that the machine will be any less expensive to purchase. Nonetheless, aircraft makers will be more inclined to rely on the long-term benefits that their customers will enjoy, with much lower maintenance costs, lower expenditures, and increased fuel economy as part of their significant financial advantages. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.